reverse. Here we go. 5, 6, here we go. And I put it on. Ami poi poi 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what? Why? No. Step on the gas. Going my way. In a right waiwai and a forward waiwai and 2 kaholos. 1 and turn to your partner. 2. Let's do that again. Ready? Hyena. 5, 6, here we go. Hyena, put it on. Turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step on the gas. Going my way. Right foot's going to do a waiwai. Waiwai forward now. 1 kaholo to the right. Now turn to your partner. Okay. Yes, sir.
Hey, honey, who's in my new car?
Yeah, but what about my car? You don't like you.
Okay, I can help at the
Holoholo Ka'a, Hawaiian ka'a.
The boy pulls up, the girl goes across your chest. The boy pulls hyena and turn. Step on the gas. Right foot, forward, 1 kahola, turn to your partner. Here we go, hyena. Hyena, my, put it on. Stop right there. Turn to the left. You've got 4 ami poi pois. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to your partner. Step on the gas. Your hips will be diagonal to the hip. Step on the gas. Going my way. Right foot's going to waiwai. Right foot. Now turn front. Left foot. 1 kaholo. 1 kaholo. Okay? Girls. You're going to go a left kaholo. So after you come here, boom, boom, 1 kaholo, you're going to go on the left. Left kaholo. Maybe a girl. Okay, I'm a girl. This way. Okay, ready? All right, I'm a girl. Hyena, my, put it on, turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step on the gas. Going my way. Right foot. Now come forward on the left. Left foot. Girl's going to go left. 1. And then you're going to give your guy your hand. And you're going to pull at me. Here. There I am. Next we pick musical finger. Hyena. Ready, hyena. Turn. Step on the gas. Right. 1 kaholo. Turn to your partner. And hyena, put it on. Turn to the left. 4. Step on the gas. Right foot. Now girls go left. Left. Y-Y-O. 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 Stamp. Point. 1, 2, count. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 2 kaholos. 1 and 2. First verse, okay?
Yes.
Second verse. I'm a boy. Da-da, da-da, da-da. Wing on the right, big wing on the right, big wing on the left. Take it down, down, and down, and. Now what? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now watch. Boys, you're a man. You've got to keep your shoulders up. You can't dance this way. You cannot dance this way. Get your shoulders up over your pulling. Do this again. 5, 6, on the left, take it down and take it down and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Okay, wait, that verse, the oka ka'a verse. Oka ka'a. Wait 1 minute, John. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right and to it's me. It's self and out, back and da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to you first. Me and out, back and okay? Let's go. We change boy partners.